Here we have it. Finally completed my Volvo G940C road grader. All 3D printed, except for the electronics. But everything you see here was designed by myself and put together. Now I spare no expense on details here. I'm not 100% complete yet, but thought I'd try to get the lug nuts in there. The wheels or the rims are 3D printed as well. Try to keep it to the same design as the original. The blade has a nice aluminum edge, cutting edge, and the blade itself has been 3D printed along with the rail there. And even this gear, that's right, it's all 3D printed. You can see there's a little motor, an N20 motor that spins to move this around. So we have Actuonics linear actuators here. They're a 50mm throw. As we come along the back, we can kind of see how the axles are mounted. The wheels are mounted here. There's a little hub. Got the Volvo symbol. It's not prettiest, could be better. We have lights in here. We have hazard lights in there as well. Once I get to the point of the electronics, we'll talk about that. Again, all 3D printed. And we also have an articulation in here. There's a servo inside. And we can always open the door. The doors are all accessible. Right, there's no interior. Right now we'll pop off the roof, take a look. All the wires come in through the neck and underneath. We still need an interior. But if we pop this off, we can see there's a servo in here. So this servo does the articulation. All the wires for the steering, all the electronics in the front come through here, around and into the back. Okay. And then if we pop off the engine cover gently, I don't want to break anything. You can see that I'm running a smaller battery, but this doesn't really consume much power at all. Got a brass plate in here to add some weight. We have our FlySky receiver. We've got a power distribution board. There's a light here for all the little tiny ESCs. That's what they're called, tiny ESCs. They'll do 3S if I want to do 3S or 2S. And then a speaker in here and a control board. You can probably barely see it, and we'll get into details about this control board up here. This is from the Bayer. Hopefully I'm not butchering the name of it. That's what controls the sounds, the lights. So if I want to put more lights on here, I can do more lights and have the sounds that I want. And we'll do a little sound test in a second. If you watch my most recent video of this grader, you'll have heard the sounds that it has. And that just gives you an idea as to how you can program this particular sound and light kit. And finally coming around, we have this little tiny servo here to adjust the pitch on the blade here, so we can tilt the blade forward. And then this linear actuator will adjust the slide, so we can get the blade to slide either side to get in to those areas where you want to reach out and grade some more. There we go. So let's see it function.